To integrate Zopa login, start by registering for a Zopa developer account, which will provide you with the necessary credentials to access their API. Once you have registered, you will receive a client ID and client secret, which are essential for the integration process. Next, choose the authentication flow that best suits your application, either authorization code flow or implicit flow. The authorization code flow is the most secure option and is recommended for server-side applications, while the implicit flow is suitable for client-side applications. After selecting the authentication flow, redirect the user to the Zopa login page, where they will enter their credentials and authorize your application. The user will then be redirected back to your application with an authorization code, which can be exchanged for an access token. The access token is used to authenticate subsequent API requests to Zopa. To obtain an access token, send a request to the Zopa token endpoint with the authorization code, client ID, and client secret. The response will contain the access token, which can be used to access Zopa's API. When making API requests, include the access token in the authorization header to authenticate the request. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as token expiration or invalid credentials, to ensure a seamless user experience. Best practices for integrating Zopa login include using HTTPS for all communication, storing client secrets securely, and validating user input to prevent security vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Zopa login into your application and provide a secure and seamless experience for your users. It is also important to note that Zopa's API has rate limits and usage guidelines, so be sure to review their documentation to ensure compliance. Additionally, consider implementing logging and monitoring to track integration issues and improve the overall performance of your application. By integrating Zopa login effectively, you can enhance the security and functionality of your application, while also improving the user experience.